Presenting the Kia 2018 Sportage LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio, AM/FM MP3/Sirius XM, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry and steering wheel mounted audio controls. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.